Hey there, fellow Americans. Breaking news that you need to hear right now: the IRS has just announced critical new timelines that could put up to $2,000 in your pocket, especially if you're a low-income senior. Don't click away, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim this money before the March 1 ST deadline, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on important updates about stimulus checks, government benefits, and money-saving tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this, and let's help spread this information to everyone who needs it. The Internal Revenue Service has recently updated its guidelines regarding stimulus payments, particularly focusing on low-income seniors who may have missed out on previous payments. This new timeline is crucial because it provides a final opportunity for eligible individuals to claim their stimulus money before it's too late. Let's break down exactly what this means for you. If you're a senior citizen with an annual income below $75,000 for single filers or $150,000 for married couples filing jointly, you could be eligible for up to $2,000 in stimulus payments. This amount includes previously unclaimed stimulus money from both 2020 and 2021, which many seniors might have missed due to various reasons, including not filing tax returns or having outdated information with the IRS. The most important thing you need to know right now is that the IRS has set a firm deadline of March 1 ST, 2024, for claiming these funds. After this date, these unclaimed stimulus payments will no longer be available, and you'll lose your chance to receive this money that's rightfully yours. Now, you might be wondering why the IRS is doing this now. Well, they've recognized that many seniors, especially those on fixed incomes, may have fallen through the cracks during the initial distribution of stimulus payments. Some seniors didn't file taxes because their income was below the required threshold for filing, while others may have experienced issues with direct deposit information or mailing addresses. Here's what makes you eligible for these payments. First, you must be a U.S. citizen or resident alien. Second, you must not have been claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return. Third, you must meet the income requirements I mentioned earlier. And most importantly, you must not have already received these specific stimulus payments. For seniors who receive Social Security benefits, the process might be even simpler. The IRS has worked to streamline the claiming process for Social Security recipients, recognizing that many rely on these benefits as their primary source of income. However, don't assume that just because you receive Social Security, you'll automatically get these stimulus funds. You still need to take action before the March 1 ST deadline. Let me walk you through the steps you need to take to claim your stimulus payment. First, gather all your important documents, including your Social Security number, any income statements, and bank account information for direct deposit. If you haven't filed taxes recently, don't worry, the IRS has created a simplified process for non-filers. You'll want to visit the official IRS website at irs.gov. Look for the Recovery Rebate Credit section, which is specifically designed for claiming missed stimulus payments. The IRS has created a user-friendly tool that will guide you through the process. If you're not comfortable using the internet, you can also call the IRS directly or seek assistance from a local tax professional. One common question I get is, what if I don't have internet access or need help filing? The good news is that there are free resources available. The Tax Counseling for the Elderly, TCE, program provides free tax help to people who are 60 years or older. You can find local TCE sites by calling 800-906-9887 or checking the IRS website. Something crucial to keep in mind is that scammers are always looking to take advantage of situations like this. Remember, the IRS will never call, text, or email you asking for personal information or payment. They communicate primarily through the U.S. mail. If someone contacts you claiming to be from the IRS and asks for personal information or payment, it's likely a scam. Let's talk about what happens after you submit your claim. The IRS typically processes these claims within 6-8 weeks. If you opt for direct deposit, you'll receive your payment faster than if you choose to receive a paper check. Make sure your banking information is accurate to avoid any delays in receiving your payment. For married couples, there's an important consideration. If you file jointly and meet the income requirements, you could be eligible for up to $5,200 in stimulus payments. This is because the stimulus amounts were calculated per person, so married couples essentially receive double the individual amount. Some seniors have asked whether receiving this stimulus payment will affect their other benefits, such as Social Security or Medicare. The answer is no. Stimulus payments are not counted as income for federal benefit programs. This means your regular benefits won't be reduced or affected in any way by receiving this stimulus payment. Another important point to consider is that these stimulus payments are not taxable income. You won't need to report them on your next tax return, and they won't affect your tax bracket or liability. This is truly free money from the government designed to help those who need it most. If you've moved since your last tax return or stimulus payment, it's crucial to update your address with the IRS. You can do this by filing Form 8822, which is the change of address form, or by updating your address when you file your claim for the stimulus payment. This ensures that if you receive a paper check, it will be sent to the correct address. For seniors who live in care facilities or nursing homes, it's important to know that these facilities cannot take your stimulus payment as payment for care. These payments are yours by law, and no one can legally require you to turn them over as a condition of receiving care or housing. Time is really of the essence here. With the March 1 ST deadline approaching, you don't want to wait until the last minute to start this process. Technical issues, missing documentation, or high volume of applications could cause delays, so it's better to begin now rather than risk missing out entirely. If you need to verify whether you received previous stimulus payments, you can create an account on the IRS website to view your tax records. This will show you exactly which payments you've received and help you determine how much you might be eligible to claim now. For those who might be helping senior family members or friends with this process, you can be designated as an authorized representative. This allows you to assist with the claiming process while ensuring all proper procedures are followed and the senior's rights are protected. Remember, this opportunity is particularly important for low-income seniors who may be struggling with rising costs of living, healthcare expenses, and other financial challenges. These stimulus funds could provide much-needed relief and help cover essential expenses. The process might seem daunting, but don't let that stop you from claiming what you're entitled to receive. There are plenty of resources and people available to help you through this process. Whether it's a family member, a tax professional, or a volunteer at a local senior center, don't hesitate to ask for assistance. As we wrap up, let me remind you of the key points. The deadline is March 1 ST. 2024, you could be eligible for up to $2,000 if you're a low-income senior, and the process is designed to be as straightforward as possible. Don't miss out on this opportunity to claim your stimulus payment. Thank you for watching this important update. If this information was helpful to you, please remember to like this video and share it with any seniors you know who might benefit from this information. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on stimulus payments, government benefits, and financial tips for seniors. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to help you out. Stay safe, and don't forget to take action before March 1 ST.